Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge above 20% and unlock the device. Once done, turn off mobile data or switch to a stable Wi-Fi to avoid downloads during reset. Now open Settings and go to Apps or App Info. You need to access the Android Auto entry. This first step gives you direct control. Clearing cache or data requires the app's info page, so don't skip it and make sure you're on the correct app before proceeding. You'll now clear temporary files and stored settings to force a fresh start. Tap the Android Auto app entry, choose Storage and Cache, then press Clear Cache to remove transient files. After that, select Clear Storage or Clear Data. This wipes profiles and saved pairings. Make sure you confirm any prompts. Once cleared, Android Auto returns to its default state. This process removes corrupted settings that often cause pairing or launch failures, which is why you clear cache before data, to preserve anything recoverable. After clearing data, reboot your phone to ensure background services restart cleanly. Once it's back up, open the Play Store to reinstall or update Android Auto if an update is pending. Next, repair with your car. Re-establish Bluetooth and USB connections and test navigation and audio. If pairing fails, reset Bluetooth in settings and forget the car device, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip. If issues persist, check the car head unit firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.